Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to go over a very powerful tool that's going to help you take your trading to the next level. All right. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe so you never miss one of our videos that is packed with so much information that is going to help take you to the next level and to consistently grow your trading account and make you a consistently profitable trader. All right. So let's jump into it. All right, guys. Welcome back to another WB trading session. I'm your host, Mike, aka FXD Neto. And today, really quick, we're going to be talking about the importance of journaling your trades. All right. Why professional traders journal their trades and why you should be doing the same. Okay. Now, really quick, guys, if you ever find yourself asking, why am I not consistent or what the hell happened on that trade? This video is for you, okay? Today, I'll quickly break down one of the most powerful tools in trading, which is journaling, all right? It's not optional, it's essential, okay? So master your strategy, eliminate your mistakes, build confidence, and start journaling your trades today, all right? So cool, guys. Why most traders stay stuck, and to me, why I believe by far why most traders never actually become profitable is because they don't track their wins or losses. So they're basically gambling, guys. They repeat the same mistakes and they don't even realize it. They feel like they're improving, but they're really not. Their mindset is what we will call reactive versus reflective. And basically, guys, if you don't track it, you can't fix it, right? So that's a huge thing. And what journaling actually is, if you don't know, guys, it's a written or digital log of every single trade. All right. It records your setup, your entry, your exit, your risk to reward, your emotions, your hit rate, your profit factor, result, and everything else, guys. And what this does is it helps you eliminate like what's not working, and it helps you track what is working, right? You want to think of this as your black box flight recorder, right? Kind of like in an airplane or something. What to include, guys? Obviously, you want to make sure you're including important data like the date, the pair, the session, setup, strategy, the entry, stop loss, TP, the R to R, risk to reward, of course, the wins, losses, how you felt, what you did wrong, what you did right. And basically a screenshot of the entry and the exit, right? So you can kind of see a little before and after. And this is real data, guys. It's not a hunch. It's not vibes. It's not memory. This is the whole cold, hard truth, all right? So super huge. And basically the mistakes journaling helps you eliminate, guys, are things like revenge trading or over trading or FOMO, that crazy martingale strategy, right? Entering without real confirmation or real setup, risking too much. Basically, guys, journaling makes your bad habits obvious, and it's hard, concrete data that you can rely on, right? And that awareness is what actually takes you to the next level. So definitely want to make sure you're tracking that. What we would call review growth equals consistent profitability, right? You guys want to actually be doing weekly and monthly trade reviews that are non-negotiable, all right? Look for recurring mistakes and winning patterns that you can kind of really track. And just ask yourself, at the end of every week or every month, what can I repeat? What should I avoid? Those are the main things you want to make sure you're tracking, right? Guys, when I tell you, this is how elite traders refine their trading edge, okay? This is huge. In essence, journaling gives you faster progress, guys. This is going to help you shorten that learning curve tremendously, okay? You'll stop making the same mistakes. You'll build confidence in your own edge. You'll be able to trade less but win more. And you'll actually feel in control, right? Versus you're just guessing and clicking the mouse, right? Most traders go in circles for years, guys. But trading, when you journal your trades, this is the shortcut to it all, okay? And how we do that here is, guys, the tools that we use here at WB Education, it is not Microsoft Excel. It's not just Google Sheets or something, right? It's not an old school pen and paper. It's actually our WB Trading Journal, guys. It's going to auto calculate all your wins, your hit rate, your risk to reward, your equity curve, make sure everything's auto synced, give you exact numbers for everything. So it's not just about the tool, guys. It's about the consistency. Okay. This is going to give you huge consistency when it comes to actually managing all of this stuff. Okay. Now, how this actually fits into our system. You guys want to learn exactly how to journal. You want to take your trades using the SM strategy and our trading journal. All right. The trading journal actually tracks all your trades and is the key factor, guys, in actually obtaining the core data. Okay. You want to review each week just so you can get 1% better. And then, of course, you want to rinse, repeat, and scale. It's just that simple. Over and over and over again, keep doing the same exact thing. All right. Journaling isn't extra, guys. It's actually part of the edge. This is what's going to give you that edge. This is how you know what's working and what's not. It's journaling. Okay. Now, really quick before we jump off here, what real traders are actually saying, guys. These are what our members are saying, how the journaling actually helps. All right. We got Peter, of course, one of our top traders here at WB Trading, saying, thank you. The online journal is a big help with this. Right. Then we got another trader. Hey, I journal on my live account every day. Okay. Agree with the discipline. It's super important. Yes. I also want to call, the R tracker, which just tracks the R ratio, the value, the profit, the loss for all my accounts. A quick and easy method to track your performance, guys. So super huge. And then, of course, we have Jeff at the very end. So I feel pretty proud of myself listening to Carl's advice. I inputted all my trades into the journal. And here's the current progress from this month. All right. Same time next week. Right. This guy's killing it, right? So trading is journaling your trades is huge, guys. You want to make sure you're actually doing it. So start journaling with WB Trading today, guys. If you're ready to level up your trading game, you definitely want to stop just guessing and gambling and start journaling your trades, okay? If you want to stop guessing, stop stressing, and actually start progressing, journaling is the key, okay? This is what separates gamblers from professional, guys. And I can honestly say journaling my trades is one of the biggest game changers that took me from trying to figure this thing on out to being a consistently profitable full-time trader, guys, right? You're able to review your performance. You're able to become the trader that you always wanted to be, right? So super important, guys. But yeah, check us out. Join WB Trading today. Start journaling your actual edge, your trades, and let's grow together, guys. Click in the link in the description. Join us, and let's make it happen. All right. Thanks for joining, and we will check you out on the next one.